Nagbanggaan po yung truck sa tao. Ayun, nabangga po ng tao yung truck. Ay, yung nabangga po yung truck. Nakabangga po yung driver.
Pag-reduce po ng epekto ng school air using this mini fan po.
So, may pwedeng interview. Ikaw naman, kuya.
Yun.
Anong ginagawa mo para mabawasan naman yung epekto ng school air sa'yo?
Minsan nagdadala ako ng suklay para hindi magtanggal yung buhok ko, para presko ako.
Yun. Thank you! Ay, ate. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo para mabawasan naman yung epekto ng school air sa'yo? Gumagamit po ako ng face powder para po mabawasan po pagka-oily ng face para mag- Thank you! Ano ba yan? Oli, ang dami ko nang na-interview, pero parang wala namang yatang mag-work sa akin. Ano ba? Nakain natin malabanan ng school air gamit ang isang spray? Well, totoo ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ito lang naman ng Vitreous Hair Freshener. Oh no, amoy usok.
Use Vitreous Hair Freshener with InstaFresh technology that takes away unwanted odor, leaving your hair fresh and smelling great.
Hi everyone! So ngayon, we are going to honestly criticize the product Vitreous Hair Freshener. If you're someone who values healthy and vibrant hair, stick around because you wouldn't want to miss this review. A brief introduction about the product. Vitreous Hair Freshener is a lightweight leave-on hair treatment designed to revitalize dull and lifeless hair. It's formulated with essential oils and promises to leave your locks looking shiny, smelling great, and feeling soft and manageable. Now, bago namin ipakita how this product works, let's hear Audrey talk about what's inside this little holy grail product of ours.
And so, the key ingredients of this product includes number 1, silicone compounds. These create a protective barrier around your hair, promoting smoothness, reducing frizz, and improving shine. Number 2, vitamin A for nourishment and protection. This is especially beneficial for those with dry or damaged hair. And finally, number 3, fragrance. The delightful scents available can elevate your hair care routine into a much more pleasurable experience, leaving you feeling fresh and fragrant. Now, before we go over its pros and cons, some people wonder if this product is safe to use now. Well, just so you know, the Vitreous Hair Freshener is FDA approved. You'll see it right here. Alright, on to the next one. Let's go over its pros and cons naman na, so we can see kung ano yung mga negative or positive effects nito sa atin. More importantly, is it effective ba? Well, para malaman natin, let's hear it from Izra.
Ngayon tapos na natin pag-usapan yung ingredients ng Vitreous Hair Freshener. Let's tackle the pros and cons of the product naman. So syempre, uunahin natin yung pros niya. Una, it is easy to use and has a quick application. For the second one, it leaves hair smelling amazing. Third, it provides added hydration and shine to your hair. And last but not the least, it has a very affordable price point and you can buy it online or in personal for only 58.40 pesos. Now let's move on to the cons naman. Meron lang tayong dalawang cons sa product na ito. Una, it may not hold up against extremely oily hair. And pangalawa, the fragrance might not suit everyone. The scent might not be everyone's liking and such.
Ay, ako na pala. So, ito yung mga thoughts ko about the benefits of this product. Gumawa na ako ng script ko para mas maganda yung pagkakatid ko ng mga aral about this product. Ito yung pang-unang benefit ng produkto. Instant refreshment. One of the standout feature of this product is its ability to instantly freshen up hair, making it perfect for a quick touch up after workouts or long days. So nakakatulong daw tong product na to para magmukha ulit tayong fresh kahit na madami tayong pinagdadaanan or pinagdaanan sa isang araw. Pangalawa, freeze control. Users often report smoother shear with less freeze after application, making it easier to manage and style hair. Freeze control. So, nakakatulong daw tong products na to para makakontrol natin yung freeze o pagkabuhaghag ng buhok natin. And nakakatulong din to para mabilis nating ma-stylean yung buhok natin. So, ito yung pangatlo. Affordable luxuries. For those on a budget, this product offers salon-like result with the hefty price tag, without the hefty price tag, making it accessible for everyone. So, affordable luxuries daw. Kahit nababudget tayo, makakabili pa rin tayo ng product na to kasi mura lang and affordable siya on market. So, ito na yung tanong. Ano nga ba yung pwedeng maitulong ng product na ito sa inyong mga estudyante?
Bilang mga estudyante, halos 6 na oras tayong exposed sa school air. Madalas din tayo nakakaranas ng matinding sikat ng araw at alam naman natin may masamang epekto ito sa ating kalusugan, lalo na sa ating mga buhok.
Tama, kaya para ma-maintain ang ating freshness at mamukha tayo presentable, gamitin niyo ang Freshness Hair
Product of ours. We're almost done. But before we proceed into demonstrating the application of the product, let me conclude all the things the Vitreous Hair Freshener has. Vitreous Hair Freshener is a promising product for anyone seeking a quick and effective way to maintain their hair's health and appearance. With its hydrating components, lightweight formula, and easy application, it stands out in the overcrowded market of hair care products. For a refreshing boost to your hair care routine, Vitreous Hair Freshener could be the perfect addition to your beauty. Kaya naman, itry nyo na. Hindi lang ito worth it, but it's also very cutesy, very mindful, and most importantly, very demure.